you go to the aperture, and then you can change. As you can see, the aperture changes, right? Ooh, wow, 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 wow. Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi 14 Pro. In this first hands-on video, I will test as much as I can, like the unboxing, camera, especially the camera. I even did another dedicated video, like compared with the vanilla version with the Xiaomi 14. Make sure to check out and subscribe if you haven't. And the sound, the hardware performance, how is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, how the performance of it, you know. In this video, let's check out. Let's get started. Well, first, let's get down to unboxing. Oh, a little bit tight about feels. All right, here you go. We have the pen. Okay, let's check it out. And a phone case. Now I adopt this kind of black, non-transparent, higher quality one. That's great. Paperwork, nothing new here. Next, we have, check it out. We have the 120 watts. Holy cow, 120 watts charger. Some manufacturers just don't offer this out of that eco excuses, but Xiaomi just still gives you this 120 watts. Excellent, you know, charger. And also the Type-C cable. Okay, that's it. Now let's move to the phone. So let's check out the design first. So as you can see, for the Xiaomi 14 Pro, it has this kind of, they still have this speaker opening here, as you can see. And I guess they just moved the infrared blaster to the camera module, just like Xiaomi 14, but they keep the speaker openings here, okay, and move to this side, nothing. And here we have the micro, the Type-C cable speaker, and also the Type-C slots. Just check out. Ooh, okay, just like the Xiaomi 14, dual card, dual standby, does not support SD card expansion, power key, and the volume rocker. And here is the camera module. It's gigantic, right? Really, really gigantic. Okay, and that is basically the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Let me just change it to English first. Let's check out some of the specs about it. HyperOS, I will do a dedicated video about the HyperOS to see what has changed, what has not, compared to the MIUI. What the specs here. Camera. So here, the camera, let's check out the camera interface. So here, the Pro, so you go to Pro, and then you go to the F aperture, and then you can change. As you can see, the aperture changes, right? Ooh, wow, 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 wow. I will just show you more samples from my friend Eva, because she did a really really detailed review about that. And that is the Pro iMovie for the video. Okay. Let's check out resolution. It supports 4K, 60, 30. Woo! Perfect. And let's move to the rear, and then it supports up to 8K, 8K 30 and 24, which is just a great photo. Okay, and it supports up to 70 times zoom. All right, for Xiaomi 14 it's like 60 if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, portrait document, more features, fun features, slow motion, stick short film, panoramic time lapse, this kind of thing. Well, why not just go out and test the thing out. All right, now this is the 4K 60 for the Xiaomi Pro. So I will just walk around a little bit to check out all this kind of photo performance. Wow, I really like it. I truly really like it. And Okay, this holy grain, holy smoke, holy grain. Oh, okay, that's a drone. 4 times, 6 times. That's 6 times. Cannot see very clear. Wow, drone delivery. Just another gimmick to attract, to scam more money. Anyway, okay, we'll just run a little bit to see if it's really good. Okay, seems stable, right? Oh, 当时就不行是吧 ？OK, about 1060 on Xiaomi 14 Pro. Let's go. Wow, like my first impressions, like really feels really good, really excellent, really excellent. I mean, feels really like premium. My first impression. Afterwards, like their flagships, right? So definitely not gonna be bad. Even the Xiaomi 14, it's really good. Wow! Holy cow! Check out this focus speed and no breathing effect. Whoa! This is really good. Wow! I like it. Xiaomi shop. Okay. Let's just export all the photos to my phone, and that's it. For 64 for the Xiaomi 14 Pro, and really good. Like this is the best selfie phones from Xiaomi. Okay, when I turn to this side, a little bit overexposed, but okay, it is exposed. Okay, and here we go. Okay, let me just run. By the way, I'm so sorry. Actually, I'm so sorry to for this kind of thing, not for this kind of shitty videos, because time is really tight. You know, lots of people in the shop, they want to get their hands on the Xiaomi 14 Pro, 14. You know, they want to check it out. I just don't feel very good to take this phone, to possess this phone for too long. But I will just give you my first honest opinion about the phones. If it's good, if it looks good, I would say good. If it's bad, I would say bad. All right, totally honest, not like this KOLs, the review that getting paid. Anyway, oh, totally overexposed here. But as you can see, the screen is really, the sky has some cloud here and it's totally blue, very beautiful, but overexposed. Yeah. Okay, 1080 60 fps. That's the resolution I actually use the most actually. And okay, I have the full video. Comparing with the Xiaomi 14, the basic version. So definitely check it out. Please do check it out. All right. And yeah, I think I will do many more videos later, like compared with the Huawei Mate 60, compared with the iPhone, really compared with iPhone. So be sure to check it out. Always honest opinions. Anyway, yeah, that's stabilization test. Okay. 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 Let's just go to here. Okay. 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 Oh, not sure if it's usable anyway. Alright, that is the camera performance, and now let's, you know. Alright, the sound test. Okay, that is the sound. I guess it's better than the 14. Yeah, but both offer really great sound. By the way, this leg seems to stretch a little bit. They stretch too much.
Hi, morning.
All right, so this is how the front look like. Wow. The bezels, just check out the bezels. Wow， 这看起来很舒服啊。
你帮我看一下呗，帮我看一下。先忙着忙。因后面是有这个因为更早。
3,000 nits. It's really bright. Alright, the last part. Let's just wait. Whoa, check out the screen performance. View 19. Wow! 1.92 million. It's a little bit more than the Xiaomi 14, right? And yeah, just impressive, unbelievable. But I can feel that, you know, the temperature is a little bit too high. As you can see, 44%, almost the same as the Xiaomi 14. So I guess thermal issue would probably be an issue for the Gen 1, but it depends on the optimization and other things. CPU, GPU, those kind of things. Alright, that is the Antutu. Okay, that's it. Alright, and here are all the colors for the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Green. By the way, just ignore the scratches on the camera module because this is fake. No, this is a model Xiaomi 14 Pro, okay, not real, but the colors are real, okay. So this one's like very easy to get the fingerprints and get dirty, but of course you would wear a phone case. But this is the color, the white one, the white, and also this black one. This black one is not like that glossy feeling. On the green one, this is like a matte finish, kind of matte finish, but not like totally matte. I don't know. Yeah, but but this one feels much better. For me, if I want to get the Xiaomi 14 Pro, I'll probably get this one, this color, because premium and yeah, more elegant. That's all the colors. And now, alright, that's the video. And what do you think about this Xiaomi 14 Pro? Just let me know in the comments. Wow, it's undeniably one of the best phones in 2023, especially the hardware performance, the Antutu Benchmark over here. Wow, that's crazy, right? And also the camera performance. Wow, badass, right? And if you are interested in the Xiaomi 14 Pro, please check the link and get this one from my friend's website. This top, I just put that in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye bye.